So it is time to fix a mistake. Let me show you what's gone slightly wrong. Is the seed shelving. It's mostly worked, but the ground has sunk a little bit there because there's no slabs on the floor, and it's just tipped slightly back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to put in some, I'm going to have to pull this towards me slightly and then put in some diagonal braces to stop it doing that. I think that should be all it needs. But yeah, it's got to level that one up more. But yeah, that's all this needs. I think if I had put it on slabs instead of just the dirt and the black plastic, then it wouldn't have moved at all. But because I have it on dirt, it's just compacted a bit. So let's see how long it takes me to fix my mistake. Okay, I'm back with longer wood. So now, because I don't want to take this out, I'm not going to try and tuck it in on the outside of the wood there. I don't think I can get the angle with the glass in that. Yeah, no, I'll have to do it on the inside here. Right, if that goes there, up to there, that's what I need to go into that. Not the easiest thing to do. Right. So I'm going to put this angle, so hopefully at this week. Let's wait and see where it comes through. I think that should be okay. Damn! That didn't get into the piece of it. I just dropped the drill bit down the back. There it is. There will be spiders. Right, let's try that again. This kind of double-ended drill bit is not good in these. They just pop right out. See what I mean? Every time. What are you doing, Amber? system. Yeah, that is not going in on the right angle. I'm going to scream at this. Let's try some tape. Just don't want it popping out after 2 seconds. Badly taped, not that sticky, but it might hold it for long enough. Okay, months now, go for a flying lesson. Let's place there. Oh, shoot. It still didn't go through the other piece of wood. I guess I need to tie it. Tie the piece of wood, get a bit of wire, put some in this, that will roughly hold it in place. Indeed. That ain't gonna work, is it? I need it slightly higher. Where's it? It might. Okay. So roughly about there. Right. That makes it nice. Wow. There we go. But that should be alright. I'm fed up with this bit. I'm going to go and get another one. Not one like this, just a short one. I'm back. Goes across this. It goes in here. Doesn't stay there. likes to drop out just as much as the long bits do. Now where did I put that? Oh, here. That's pretty much level. So it needs slightly lower, coming out this way, like. If I need to pull that forward. It's not going well. Try and use it. Right. Yeah, that's going to have to be redone. Still not enough. but good enough. I'll have to cut off those bits. Now, is that a bee? I don't think it's a wasp. But what is it? It's very big. Getting focus. It's hanging around in my greenhouse. Doesn't help me get things done though, does it? You can see it's preening itself though. I think it's decided it's nap time in my greenhouse. Great, just what I need. I'm being brave. I've come back in the greenhouse because I've got too much to do. Hopefully it'll decide to fly out at some point once it's had a nice rest. Well, I have the diagonal supports there. I have one further down on that one and one over there. I've also cut the wire shelving so it doesn't stick out stupidly. So this is all the gravel trays, that's wire shelving. Got the lids over there. I've got my compost there. So I think that is organised enough.